Welcome back everybody, Dylan here again. Today we have a very cool video for you. We'll be opening up and taking a look at the brand new Yealink BH71 Workstation Pro. And again, if you guys have been liking our videos, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The BH71 Workstation Pro is an all-in-one workstation that comes with a portable charging kit, a Bluetooth mono headset, the base workstation with a 3-inch touchscreen, and a wireless smartphone charger. So this thing can basically do it all, and is built for all types of workers. The road warrior because of the traveling case, the hybrid worker because it's easy to take back and forth, and an office worker. The BH71 works with 3 devices, your smartphone, your PC, and your desktop phone. And it'll come with about 30 hours of talk time. The base will have about 20, and then the headset will have about 10. Alright, we open this thing up right away. Right on top here is our case. And our headset's going to be right inside. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Open up the rest of this. We're going to have our case. Power cord, USB cords, and our extra, looks like extra tips for our headset. And that is it. So let's open up the base. See a better look at our touchscreen there and our wireless charger. I'll set this thing up in a little bit. And our power supply. And I'm going to open up this case and take out the headset. So this thing is very high quality, as I can see right off the bat. We have our adjustable microphone and our adjustable ear hook to fit any sized ear. It is very lightweight. The microphone is a 4 microphone array as well as noise cancelling, and will give you about 98 feet of range. And this is an over the ear headset, so not over the head. So if you are a female or a male, it will not mess up your hair. So again, you can get and fit any sized ear. The microphone is a swivel, so it moves back and forth, and is very lightweight and comfortable. To charge our headset on the base, all we do is we take this headset here and we match it up with the charger on the base, and we set it in there, and it magnetically sticks in like that. So on the side of our base here, we're going to have our USB hub, where we will have 3 USB-A ports. Then on the back side here, we will have 2 more USB ports, and they will actually be USB-C for a phone or a PC. The headset is very easy to put on. All you're going to do is take it, put it over your ear, and it fits in just like that. And again, we have our swivel microphone to be adjustable. And if my ear is a little bigger or a little smaller, I can move this up or down. Here is our wireless charging kit. As you can see, just about fits in the size of my palm, so you can easily put it in your pocket or in your traveling backpack to take it wherever you need. It's going to be the same thing as charging on the base. You just match up the magnetic ports and you set it in there. Also inside of this kit, we're going to have this USB, so you'll be able to plug it into your PC. So now we get a closer look at our base, our 3-inch touchscreen, as well as our wireless smartphone charger. The touchscreen is very easy to navigate. We can change our settings, our basic and advanced. This is how we set up our Bluetooth.
So I now have my workstation base connected to my smartphone and my computer. As you can see, we have our smartphone logo and our computer logo to show that we have two devices connected. The workstation base also has a speakerphone right here, so you can play music through your base as well as hear audio through your computer. So to use this wireless charger, you just take your smartphone and you can lean it up against this, and you can see it immediately starts charging. So here we have a closer look at the headset, the adjustable microphone, as well as the adjustable ear hook to fit any sized ear. And then again, to charge the headset when you're done with it, you just stick it right in the base. On the touchscreen here, we also have a dedicated Teams button to where if we are connected to Teams on our computer, we can hit that Teams button and the Teams app will pop up on my computer. So I'm currently playing some music through the speakerphone right here. We can adjust the volume to make it louder and to decrease the volume. As you can see, the speakerphone is very high quality, easy to play music through your smartphone. Here we have another look at our traveling case. Here we charge our headset. Here's our USB for connection to our PC wirelessly. The headset will sit right in here. Close it up. Small enough to fit in your pocket. And the headset's going to fit in there, just like that.
The Yealink BH71 Workstation Pro is an all-in-one workstation. It is also great for any type of worker. The high-quality wireless Bluetooth headset is very adjustable, easy fitting, and very lightweight. This is a very high-quality headset that is definitely worth the money. If you have any other questions about the BH71 headset, any other headsets, or any other products in our videos, please check out our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com or give us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next product video.